Hi, this is Christian Fouts, and this is your Core Real Estate Minute. Today I'm going to speak about upgrades. A lot of homeowners want to do upgrades to their house before they list it, or sometimes they don't want to do any upgrades. And one of the most important things that you need to consider is you don't want to be trading dollars. For example, you don't want to spend $2,000 in painting the interior of your house and maybe you're only getting back $1,800 in increased value. So that's something that you want to really consider on what you're going to be doing as far as the upgrades. The second thing is you want to keep any upgrades neutral. Not to your preference, but something that would appeal to a large, I would say group of potential buyers out there. For example, you don't want to go and paint your bathrooms a lime green because that's your favorite color. The third thing is you don't want to be spending a lot of money on upgrades, and you don't want to make a major upgrade such as adding a pool. A lot of people think, oh, well, if I have a pool, I'll have more buyers. That may be the case. However, you may be excluding some buyers that don't want a pool. They don't want the upkeep and maintenance of maintaining one. So, the bottom line is be very cautious and do your homework and analysis, or speak with a professional realtor and find out what really is the most beneficial when upgrading your home to help sell it quicker. Hope you found this Core Real Estate Minute helpful.